Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I went to CVS and did a few deals. First I want to say I hope everyone's is safe and doing good. Please don't feel like you have to go out and get to do these deals. A lot of these deals you can actually do online. So if you're under quarantine or if you don't feel safe, please don't let this video be like an encouragement or anything to go out. This is just because my county is not under any curfew or any lockdown. So I still have the availability to go out, but I do take the proper precautions to stay safe. So yes, just letting you guys know, I don't want anybody to feel like they have to be forced to go out, but I did want to share some deals that I did today. And also you can find these deals online as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Let's see, this haul is actually kind of more of an expensive haul because as you can see, we have 2 bags of cat food. So of course, cat food is going to be a little more expensive, any type of food. So I recently, I guess on my birthday, I actually went and got myself a little gift and rescued a kitty from the shelter. Not really a kitty, he's like almost 2 years old, but I'm super happy. And so now I just have to find ways to save money when buying his cat food and cat litter. So hopefully I can continue to get some good deals. So with this cat food, this is Rachel's Ray nutritious cat food. They are priced at $9.99. And I bought 2, so it made a total of, oh crap, sorry, I covered up my notes that I have here. Alright, so for 2 it's $19.98, and when you buy 2 you get $3 extra buck. So I did have 2 $3 off coupons that I will link below in the description where I get my coupons from, because I don't really exactly remember what insert it was in. But I had 2 of those $3 coupons, so it brought the total down to $10.98 for both bags, or $5.49 each after I got the $3 extra buck back. So really good deal on some cat food. They also had the dog food, which is the same deal at CVS. It's buy 2 you get a $3 extra buck. The thing with the dog food is the coupon is actually a higher value. It's actually a $4 manufacturer coupon from the same insert. I believe it's the February 22nd Smart Source, but I'll link that in the description exactly which one it's from. But yeah, I do remember saying that the dog food was actually a higher value. So that's the cat food. I'm sorry for the noises you hear in the background. I tell my family all the time, please, I'm trying to film, be quiet, but they don't care. They don't listen. It's all about themselves. Alright, moving on to a little more expensive deal as well is the Folgers coffee. So this is actually my favorite coffee, so I had to do this deal. They're on sale for $4.99, and so there's a CRT that's out. That's a $2 off, $8 I think, 2 off of 8 coffee CRT. Well, I saw that I had a $2 off 8 breakfast CRT, and I for some reason thought that was the same thing, and it's not. Coffee is actually not really considered a breakfast item. Don't know where CVS got that fact from, but apparently CVS does not consider coffee a breakfast item, whatever. So, but the lady was actually really nice enough to still override it, so she let me use that deal. So the 2 coffees came out, after the $2 was taken off, they came out to be $9.98, or $3, oh no, I'm sorry. In total for 2 coffees, $9.98, and then after the $2 CRT, it was $7.98, and then $3.99 each. So really good deal on some Folgers coffee. This is actually my favorite brand, so I went ahead and did it. Now, for some cheaper deals, where I'm sure most people want to do instead of the more expensive ones. So, first off, the Aveeno mask. Annabella, mama. Sorry about that. So, the Aveeno mask. Aveeno is actually a deal that I don't believe it's actually advertised on the ad. They are buy one get one 50% off, and then when you buy 2 you get a $5 extra buck. What? Amazing. So this is actually included in the deal. These are priced at $3.29. At least in my store it's priced at $3.29. I do have a little more of an expensive store. So these are priced at $3.29, and then one is $3.29, the other one's $1.64. Yes, so altogether they're $4.93. Then when you buy 2 you get that $5 extra buck, making these free. So really good deal for that. Now the CoverGirl. I picked up the CoverGirl brow pencil, and I also picked up the CoverGirl concealer. I got the CoverGirl concealer because they didn't have any more of that brow pencil, so I just went for the concealer. So the CoverGirl deal is when you buy 2 you get a $6 extra buck, and everybody is getting a $3 instant coupon printed for you at the Redbox machine. So everybody should be getting that coupon. So this one was priced at the eyebrow one was priced at $5.99, and then the concealer was priced at $7.79. So altogether it was $13.78. I did have a $3 off coupon for each product. Again, I will link in the description box where I got my coupon from. So I had $3 for the eyebrow and $3 for the concealer. So that's $6 in coupon plus the $6 CRT or instant coupon that everybody's getting printed out. And also because I spent more than $12, I was able to use my 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. So that was a total of $12 in coupons, I guess, in savings. So it brought my cost all the way down to $1.78, and then I got back a $6 extra buck, making the CoverGirl free plus a $4.22 moneymaker. So heck yeah, that's amazing. If you can actually find 2 of these and you have the $3 off coupons, this deal could actually be free because this is priced at $5.99. So if you could easily put your total at $12 with all your coupons, it would actually be free. Like I said, I didn't have another this was the only one in my store, plus I didn't have a coupon for eyebrow. I only had one for eyes. I only had one for eyes and face. Now I'm rambling, but yeah. So that is my deal. That is everything that I did. My total, like I said, it was expensive. It came out to like $28 after all my coupons were applied. Again, because I bought coffee items that I didn't really have a coupon for, and then the cat food, which of course is going to be a little more expensive. So it is a little bit of a higher subtotal. It was $28. I did have $9 that I rolled over, making it $21. And then for me, it was free just because I had a gift card that I was using, so everything came out to be free for me. But yeah, it is a little bit of a higher. I don't know why I'm saying that feeling bad. I really shouldn't feel that bad. I mean, it happens. We gotta buy things that are a little more expensive. But you know, I know everyone likes to see those low, out of cost type of deals, but sometimes it don't work out like that. Anyway, so this is my receipt. I'm so sorry for the lighting, and I'm sorry for Annabella, who won't be quiet. Baby girl, mommy's trying to film, so here is my receipt. Let me try to get better lighting. Sorry guys, I'm filming this like at 9 o'clock at night, so my lighting is not that good. Here are all the coupons that I used. Everything came out perfect. I didn't have any trouble. So again, $19.67 after the $9 extra bucks that I rolled over. So I paid $21, well, $22 pretty much. So I only had a saving, 70%, wow. I thought my savings would be like around 50%, but it's actually 70%, not bad. And then here are all the extra bucks that I got back. I got $3 for the cat food, $6 for the CoverGirl, and then $5 for the Aveeno. Alright guys, I apologize for our crazy appearance right now. It's late. It's so late. You should go to bed. Yeah. But yeah, so that is it for my haul. I do know that there is an iBotta rebate for the Rachel's Ray cat food. So I heard there's a rebate for it. I think it's like a $2.50 rebate, something like that. I'm gonna check it out. And again, if there is a rebate, I will link it in the description box. So, but yeah, that is it for my haul. I hope to go back to CVS. I always say that every week that I'm gonna go back, and then the week gets crazy when you have a kid and you work and all that fun stuff. So sometimes I don't end up back to the store, but I'm gonna try, and I'm also gonna try, of course, to film other couponing stories. I know the last video I just posted was CVS, and it's CVS again, but who doesn't love CVS? So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. Everyone stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, say the hi.
Hi. Hi.
You're crazy.
Bye.